The Wasp TrapStik from Rescue uses bird guards to keep wildlife protected. Here's how to set them up for best results. When you get the product, the bird guards come within the center of the TrapStik, and you'll just reach in and pull them out. There's a tear strip, which easily removes the cardboard wrap. You just place that on its side. The surface is very sticky, so then you'll take your bird guards and remove the twist tie. You'll use this later to hang it. The bird guards are nice flexible plastic, and you'll start by inserting one end into the channels on the cap and just kind of stretch it across and give it a nice snap. And you'll repeat this process on the remaining 5 sides. This TrapStik uses our Visilure technology. It's what the insects like. They are attracted to them, and it draws them without a scent attractant. But of course, we don't want any wildlife to get stuck, and so that's why we designed the bird guards. So after the last one is inserted, you'll want to go back through and just make sure they're all nice and secure, and then it's ready to hang. So you will take the twist tie and thread it through the top, give it a little twist, and then go on the other side, the opposite side of that hole. Again, give it a twist, and now you are ready to hang this TrapStik outdoors, again under an eave or a building where they like to make their nests. Here at Rescue, we're always innovating and improving our products. Go to rescue.com for more helpful tips.